my name is Gaia D'Incecco and I'm the Marketing and Communication Manager at Pentair for the Asia Pacific region. We are here today at the Asian Pacific Aquaculture Show 2018 in Taipei. This is the #1 exhibition featuring international and local companies showcasing latest products, services, instruments and equipment for the aquaculture management and all aquaculture related information to encourage sustainable practices within the aquaculture world. The show is organized by the World Aquaculture Society, which is the WAS, which is the global leader in the aquaculture science and that contributes to the progressive and sustainable development of aquaculture in the world. Let's go inside and take a look. Whatever you need, equipment selection, consultation, technical support, system design, redesign, retrofitting and more, we are here to help you. You can count on us. Pentair provides what's needed to make any system operate more effectively, to help you extract profit from every facet of your operation. We see the potential in the commercial aquaculture market. That's why we have made our focus and we strive to be the best in the 3 key areas of supporting commercial facilities, which are design, service and equipment. Let's go inside the booth. We have assembled a team of experts with diverse background in aquaculture, and today I'm here with Dr. Luca Micciche, our sales manager in the Asia Pacific region. First of all, thanks Luca for being here with us today. So Luca's knowledge of the aquaculture business comes from years of experience working with an array of species including bivalve shellfish, shrimp, finfish and microalgae in different parts of the world, in different regions such as Latin America, Europe, Asia, of course, and you also have collaborated with important organizations and universities, research institutes and NGOs. So Luca, we have mentioned what type of services at Pentair we can offer, but tell us more about Pentair added value and our involvement into the aquaculture industry in Asia.
Sure. Well, Pentair is the largest source of aquatic products worldwide. We can support our customer in different operations and different environments, for example, net pens, sea cages, operation like hatcheries, RAS system, recirculating aquaculture systems. And another competitive advantage that Pentair has is that we are present in the region. We have a big presence, strong presence in the region. We have offices in Shanghai, Hong Kong, Singapore. I'm personally based in Malaysia, so I can follow up with my clients, avoiding any delay here in Asia.
Surely the fact that you've been living and working in Asia for several years is a great added value to our customer, because you can better address our customer needs because you've been living here and you know the market and its challenges. So talking about the market challenges in the aquaculture system, what do you think is one of the main challenges or more than one, and how is Pentair answering to that?
Well, as you know, Asia is often recognized as a rising dragon economically. This economic growth is often associated with environmental overexploitation. So for example, the aquaculture industry, the traditional aquaculture industry is causing a lot of impact on the Asian environment. And for this reason, Pentair can help the industry providing high technology equipment, for example, to treat the water, to reduce the environmental impact, to reduce the consumption of resources for feed, because our tools allow the farmers to produce and grow fish more efficiently, avoiding wastage of feed and resources.
Let's move to the next product, Luca, which is the Sparus pump, the most energy efficient pump in the world. Luca, explain us about this monitor, about this comparison between standard pump and Sparus pump. What is the added value of this pump?
All right, as you said, this is the most efficient pump in the world in terms of electric consumption. As you can see in these displays, there is a comparison between a standard pump and our Sparus CFT pump, constant flow technology. You will see that a standard pump has a consumption of around 2 kW per hour, while our pump is consuming just 88 watts per hour. We can regulate the speed of our pump just using this control system. From here, you can have a look the detail, you see. There are 4 preset speeds, so we can increase the speed like that, or we can go fine-tuning using the arrow simply. The material of the pump is an Urel, that is glass-filled plastic, very resistant to corrosion and to temperature variation. So it's a very good pump to use in the aquaculture industry.
It's a great pump, a lot of money saved per year, a lot of energy for a more sustainable world. And now I'm gonna introduce you to our director, sales director for Asia Pacific for Aquatic System, Mr. Hugh Smith. Thank you, Hugh, for being here today with us and supporting us into this show and to all the effort we put to support the aquatic ecosystem industry business. So what is your impression of the aquaculture industry in Asia, and what's Pentair aquatic ecosystem impact to the market? How is it impacting the market?
Well, the aquaculture industry in Asia is probably the largest and the fastest growing of all the regions in the world. For the demand for fish and fresh fish in this region is absolutely huge. Countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, they all are either established aquaculture businesses or growing at a rapid pace. China as well is growing quickly, and I think that for the future it's going to be a remarkable industry in this part of the world. So, as far as what Pentair AES has to add or offer to the region, I think one of the things that we're known for in the US and in certain parts of Europe are innovation and technology as far as the aquaculture industry goes. The advent of variable speed technology, the use of ozone and UV, drum filtration, all those things are things that we actually are good at and continue to improve as time goes by. I also think that at some point IoT, which is the Internet of Things, will have a dramatic impact on monitoring and watching those fish stocks. So I think there's a lot of things that Pentair adds, and that research and development will help to support the industry as time comes by.
Thank you, Hugh. That was a great explanation. And for here now is everything. Let's go to the back and let's say goodbye to our customers. I would like to thank you, Luca, very much for having been here today with us and explaining us all about the aquaculture industry and what Pentair added value is and what contribution we can bring to this sector. So, are you ready to get your aquaculture project started yet? If so, ask us.